Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to showing you around the approved used Land Rover Rover Evoque P300e R-Dynamic SE. This petrol plug-in hybrid features a 1.5 engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox. It is seen here today in Portofino blue. Starting our journey from the front, where we'll find the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead. Cascading down the side, further sporty and luxurious dynamics continued, as well as seeing the burnished copper bonnet louvers as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch alloys. Venturing to the rear, you'll also see the rear privacy glassing, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a week's worth of shopping or even luggage for a week away. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with their cloud and ebony perforated leather seats. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveal your electric heated driver memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at the view that greets the driver, you'll see your leather multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll see a fully digital display which can harbour key information such as your speed, sat-nav and vehicle settings. Advancing over to your P300e Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your reversing camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. You'll further be able to access electric vehicle modes, which I'm sure will come in handy within this petrol plug-in hybrid vehicle, such as battery and charging capacity. Moving down now to your lower screen, where you'll also be able to access climate control functions and heated seat functions, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual settings. You'll also be able to access further vehicle settings, such as terrain response systems and further vehicle dynamics, as well as EV modes. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which will engross the vehicle and the occupants with natural light.